All right, today we're gonna bring a UFO LED light, and this one goes up to 200 watts. It has a radiator for if it gets too hot, it cools down on top. This is perfect for your warehouses, and we are in a warehouse right now. We're gonna set it up. Pretty much all the LED lights are here. They give you these 3 parts of it to hang it. It has the hooks and the chain that you could hang it from, right? Including some information about the light. So today we're gonna set it up and see how well it looks, all right? So let's go and put it together. There's the light, guys. We're gonna turn it off. This is our actually painting station that we need it for. We require painting here and we want details on it. So we wanna make sure that the light is bright enough.
And you can see the difference when we disconnect it. Really that see the difference.
Look at the difference on it. Go ahead, plug it in. And this is better than the actual bulb ones. So we're gonna show you right now in completely darkness with that one on only. All right, this is the shop that we have. The light, if you guys can see, we work at night most of the times, and this is our spray booth here that we have. And the lights is super bright and powerful. And this is where we want to make sure everything's working properly here. So hope you guys enjoy the video.